Hello, reception! Hooray! It's time for my favourite part of the day, and that is phonics. So let's get cracking because we have another new sound today. And today that sound is oh. Have a look at me so that you can see the action for oh. Today we're going to whiz through our sounds because we now know quite a lot of sounds. We know all of group 1, we know all of group 2, and now we're starting group 3. Yesterday we did g, and today we're doing oh. So we're going to whiz through the sounds. Then we take our new sound, oh, and then to finish with, we're doing what sound can you hear in the middle? It's a bit tricky, but I think you can do it. So first things first, let's whiz through the sounds. And can you remember what sound it was yesterday? I just told you. It's g. Here's g. And let's quickly remember how to write g, because it's a caterpillar. We did the caterpillar, up to the top, and down for the tail. Well done, everyone. That is g. Let's whiz through all of our other sounds. You need to say the sound as quickly as you can. Try to beat me. I. T. S. D. R. Ah. Eh. And that's all of the sounds. As always, you can always go back and try them again if you need to. Lots of practice is good practice. So, our new sound for today is oh. Do the action with me. Oh. And the good thing about oh is that it's also a caterpillar letter. Let me move my camera so that we can look at the story together. A family moves into a house. The children's bedroom has bunk beds in it. The sister has the top bunk and the brother has the bottom bunk. When they're in bed, the naughty brother is not sleeping. He plays with the light switch, turning it on and off. 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 So let's read this big word at the top together. Here. Let's sound it out. Off. On. On. Great reading. Well done. Let's see. Is there anything else on this page which starts with an oh sound? I think there's something under the bed which starts with an oh sound. What is it? Octopus. Well done. Now this thing here is a hot water bottle. Hot water bottle. Can you sound out hot? Try now. I'll try too. Oh. Oh, the word hot has an O in the middle. O, t. That sound, O, is in the middle. It's time for you to get your magic finger ready. You don't need your pen and paper just yet. Get your finger ready and follow me as I make the O shape. Here I go. O. It made the magic circle. All you need to know is that you must start with a caterpillar "k" and then close it back up. So, let's have a go together. You can now get your pen and your paper or your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen because we need to start O. Are you ready? Let's go. O. You must remember to always start at the top. Let's do our second O together. Off we go. Does yours look like mine? Great. Let's do our third O. Off we go. Super. We're going to do our fourth and fifth O. But for these ones, I'd like you to think very carefully. Can you make your O sit on the line? Try and do it like me. Now try your fifth one. Round and join it back up. Sitting on the line. O. Well done, everybody. We've finished practicing O. Now we're going to play a game of what sound can you hear in the middle? You can choose. You can either point to the letters on the screen, or on a piece of paper, you can write the answer. Or you can get your A, O, and I flashcards out and hold the one up that you can hear in the middle. So, the first word is pot. We need to sound out pot to listen for what's in the middle. It's this one that we're listening out for. Okay? Let's sound out pot. P, O, T. What sound did you hear in the middle? P, O, T. Did you hear A, O, or I? Point to the one that you heard now. I'm going to write the word. O, T. So what sound was in the middle? O. This one. Well done if you got that right. Now we're going to sound out tin. Over to you. Sound out tin. Pause the video. You should have sounded out tin. Now it's my turn. T, I. Point to the sound which you heard in the middle. T, I. I can hear I in tin. How about this one? Sound out dog and tell us what sound can you hear in the middle of dog? Sound it out now. D, o, g. Which sound did you hear? And the last one, sound out man. Choose which sound you can hear in the middle of man. Off you go. Ah, What sound did you hear in the middle of man? You choose. Well done, everybody. If you would like to, you can do this extension today, where you can write the words. Now that you've already broken them up once, it should be easier. Hot, in, og, an. It's up to you, but if I see this extension, then you will get an extra dojo point. Have a great day, everyone, and don't forget, our new sound is O.